Cheese in every can.
It's magic, Rick.
Push a mouse too far and you're in for big...
I've had it up to here with you. How would you advise? Put yourself in their place and think about how... And that's...
Hey! You don't look so good, Mr. Cat.
Today may out to be very sick.
Take that, egg. Aren't we? And remember, little Tommy, only the cat...
What? I'm your fairy dog, brother. Got a problem with... Stay a mouse, but that ain't going so well, is it? Or you can finally So what's it gonna be? So how's that magic ever done?
I'm not really one of those mice. Have you learned your lesson? With my invention, I can effortlessly turn you for nothing house cat.
Remember, mouse, magic ain't gonna do it.
Especially since we've never done this before. Fresh from business affairs, it's all pretty standard, just so. Hey, kitty boy, ever hear of a doorknob?
One should have listened to their fairy dog, brother, huh? You just need some help from an expert. It's the cat.
Who is this fairy dog kidding? This little girl.
Deal with it.
Sure, the cat was big and the odds were long, but...
Push a mouse too far.
The cat's fine.
Did your body to science, so we can either do this the easy way or the hard.